Hi, welcome to Grammar with Arif, and today our topic is apostrophe s, s apostrophe, and of. In grammar, apostrophe s and s apostrophe are called suffixes, while of is called a preposition. We use these three things to show possession. In other words, ownership or relationship. We use apostrophe s and s apostrophe with noun or pronoun, and then they are followed by another noun. This noun or pronoun is the owner, while this noun is the ownership. The same structure can also be written with of, but by changing their position. This noun will come here and this noun will go there. Means this one will become the ownership and this one will become the owner. The difference between this structure and this structure is that we use this structure when the owner is a thing or place, while we use this structure when the owner is a person. Means human. Examples: I like the color of this car. We can also say it in this way: I like this car's color. Now here, this color belongs to the car, and the car is not a person or means human, it's a thing. So it's better to say I like the color of this car. The second one is not wrong, but the first one is better. Another example: Ali's father is sick. We can also say the father of Ali is sick. Now here, whose father? Ali's father. Ali is a person. So the first one is better, the second one is not wrong. Now more examples: the weather of Peshawar, the government of Pakistan, the price of her purse, the size of my shirt. Further information: when a noun is used after apostrophe s or s apostrophe, so the first noun functions as an adjective. But when we don't use a noun after apostrophe s or s apostrophe, this noun functions as a pronoun. And pronoun is used when a noun is already mentioned. Examples: she hates Ali's car. Now here, the function of Ali's is adjective because we have used a noun. But if I say Ali's brother is senior to Leila's, now here I did not say brother because brother is already mentioned here. So here Leila's functions as a pronoun while Ali's functions as an adjective.